Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Chevy Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote engine start, rear parking aid, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.